Hi, my name is Merlin, and welcome to the Clear Your Mind ebook video preview that I've created to feature some of the elements of this interactive guide. The guide is divided into two parts. The first part is methods. The second part is musings. In the methods section, you are introduced to the three simple and practical methods, plus the most important tool in bringing about immediate change. The flow of the chapter is designed so that you are introduced to the individual components. The different multimedia tools offer unique learning experiences. The multiple components are showcased in individual videos and then demonstrated together in one as if you were being taught firsthand. There is a summary and review quiz at the end to reinforce all that you've just learned. This chapter contains pointers and suggestions about method integration. The Musings section is 15 years worth of observation about the application of the methods and possible influence. Available on iTunes for iPads with a website coming soon.